Hi, I'm Cody Ray, the owner of FIXD Roofing. Here in Florida, where extreme weather is the norm, it's important to not only have a roof that's beautiful, but to have a roof that's also built to last. That's why stone-coated roofing has become so popular. It's designed to withstand harsh climates and keep homes safe and secure. For example, Hurricane Milton, which swept through South Florida. It created a lot of tornadoes and a lot of damage in our area. While many homes suffered significant damage, the newly installed stone-coated roof by FIXD Roofing withstood the intense winds and even the impact of the tornado on this home. Despite the fact that some parts of the house were blown away by the tornado, including the screen enclosure, the roof remained completely intact, demonstrating its exceptional durability and the quality of the installation. In today's video, we're going to walk you through some of the advantages of stone-coated steel as a roofing system, and we're also going to take you through the installation process for one of our clients that just got this type of roof. To kick things off, I'm going to pass it over to Derek Parks. He's the territory manager at Westlake Royal Roofing Solutions, and he's here to explain exactly what makes stone-coated roofing such a powerful choice for South Florida. And then I'll hand things over to our general manager of FIXD Roofing, Benjamin, who will guide you through the installation process and explain how FIXD Roofing ensures every step meets the highest possible standards.
Thank you for giving me the chance to be here today to share some information about our stone-coated roofing products. It's a true game changer for those here in Florida. This type of roofing gives you the strength and durability of traditional metal while giving you an aesthetically pleasing roof that looks like tile, shingle, or shake. Okay, what are the key advantages of this roofing system? Beyond superior weather resistance, there is a number of great benefits to the product. So first off, this product is very energy efficient. It will help keep your home cooler by reflecting more of the sunlight compared to traditional roofing options. This product has above sheathing ventilation options, which will allow airflow to breathe through the roof, helping to reduce your energy bills. We've just recently achieved a very severe hail rating. Prior to that, it was a Class 4 hail rating, and it also has a Class 8 fire rating. This is the highest level of protection against hail and fire damage. In hail-prone areas, this rating can even lead to insurance discounts of up to 20%. All right, so one of the other great benefits of this product is longevity. This product can last up to 3 times as long as traditional asphalt shingle roofs. Plus, we back our product with a 50-year limited lifetime fully transferable warranty, which is non-prorated and also includes a 120-mile-an-hour wind warranty protection. An important advantage is the ease of replacing individual elements if damaged. You simply can unfasten and perform the necessary repairs needed. Each panel is crafted with multiple protective layers, ensuring a long-lasting, strong product that will be resistant to corrosion and give you the capability to withstand severe weather conditions. To close, this is a low-maintenance, high-performance roofing product that is ideal for Florida homeowners facing extreme weather conditions.
Now that you understand why stone-coated steel is such an incredible choice for your roof, we're going to talk about how FIXD Roofing installs it with the highest possible standards, ensuring longevity for the life of your home. We start by removing the old roofing materials, including tiles and underlayment. Our team works carefully to protect your property throughout this process, using tarps to shield landscaping and prevent debris from impacting your home's exterior. Once the old roof is removed, we conduct a thorough inspection of the roof deck to ensure it's in top shape before installation. This step is critical, as any hidden damage such as rotting wood or compromised fascia must be addressed to create a solid foundation for the new roof. We then install a high-quality underlayment, which acts as an additional barrier against moisture and weather. This underlayment is essential for long-term protection and ensures that our roofing system remains durable even in Florida's harsh climate. Once this stage is complete, we then prepare all the necessary documents and submit them to your city or municipality to obtain the permit for your roofing system. At FIXD Roofing, we handle the entire permitting process to ensure full compliance with local regulations, so our clients can rest assured that every step of their roof installation meets the highest standards. At the installation stage itself, that's where FIXD Roofing truly stands out. We secure each stone-coated tile with 16 screws per tile, providing a high level of stability that you won't find in standard installations. This method ensures the tiles stay firmly in place even during intense weather conditions. For those looking to maximize durability, we offer the option to upgrade to stainless steel screws. These resist corrosion providing added longevity and peace of mind, especially in coastal areas. For a cohesive look, we use parts provided by the manufacturer that blend seamlessly with the roof. This not only adds to the roof's aesthetics, but it also guarantees a snug, weather-resistant fit. To give our installations a clean, professional finish, we use manufacturer-provided trim pieces. These are specifically designed to complement the roof, creating a seamless look from edge to edge. In this house, we have a solar attic breeze fan, which is painted to match the color of the roof as close as possible. It is extremely efficient, a very well-made product, all metal parts, and it is whisper quiet. So what it's doing is pulling that hot air out of your attic space all day long. Once the installation is complete, our team performs an inspection on all of the roof and all of the panels to ensure a flawless install. And then we do our very best to ensure the property is clean and beautiful when we leave.
Thanks, Benjamin. At FIXD Roofing, our commitment to quality goes beyond just installing a roof. It's about delivering a roofing solution that's built to last, using precision, quality materials, and unmatched attention to detail. That's the FIXD Roofing difference. So whether you're dealing with harsh weather, looking for long-term protection, or simply wanting a beautiful, seamless finish, we are here to make it happen. If you're ready to upgrade to a roof that's designed to enhance and protect your home, give us a call today. Let's start working on making your roofing vision a reality.